Recipes, not formulas. Our recipes have simple ingredients: sulfate-free, paraben-free, dye-free and mineral oil-free. Hair food is all sulfate-free. Color Safe has 8 collections of treatments to nourish all different hair types. Work the purifying shampoo into wet hair to form a fragrant, luxurious lather. Rinse and follow with conditioner. Reviewers love the scent. It is balanced and not overpowering. To feed hair showing signs of breakage and heat damage, use Hair Food Tea Tree Lavender Shampoo. Feed your hair with Hair Food Tea Tree Oil Lavender Sulfate-Free Purifying Shampoo. Infused with the invigorating essences of tea tree oil and lavender, our sulfate-free tea tree oil recipe works to smooth locks that might need a little extra care, and leave your hair looking, feeling and smelling totally pampered. Inspired by clean, simple ingredients like the ones you'd find in your own kitchen, our recipe for healthy, touchable hair is sulfate-free, silicone-free, paraben-free and mineral oil-free. Because what goes on your body is just as important as what you put in it. We at Hair Food believe in something simple. Hair should be nourished, the same way we nourish our bodies. All of our recipes are inspired by fresh and nourishing ingredients, crafted to be safe for color-treated hair, and sulfate-free, dye-free and paraben-free. Our sulfate-free Hair Food Tea Tree Oil and Lavender collection is specially crafted to smooth your hair the way you need it, without the things you don't need. Top reviews from the United States. You will love the smell. Love the smell. Thick so it covers strands well. Works well for thinning hair from chemo.